this lonely, cause don't anyone know me. Yet everybody just feels like they can relate. I guess words are they can be great, or they can degrade, or even worse, they can teach hate. It's like these kids hang on every single statement